our sushi bazooka. We've also got some sushi rice and nori, as well as our sushi mat. We've got some cucumbers, some avocado, and some crab meat. First things first, you want to take your sushi bazooka and open it up. And so this is going to allow us to put the rice in. But first, we need to oil the bazooka. And this is gonna make it so that the rice doesn't stick to the plastic. Once it's nice and oiled up, you want to wet your hands in some water because the rice is going to be sticky. And then you'll just place the rice inside of each side of the sushi bazooka.
We're gonna flatten it now, you guys, just to kind of help it when we go to make our indentation in the middle of it. I like to kind of make sure that my rice is really packed in there. So I go ahead and I flatten it, get it real nice and flat. Now that we've gotten it nice and compact, I'm gonna take the round part and press it right on in there as hard as we can.
This is making the area that your toppings are going to go. And then I'll put the crab meat over on the opposite side.
So you want to get this in the groove, so that way you can twist. You don't want to twist yet. Getting overzealous. What you're gonna do, you gotta do this fast. So 1, 2, just like that. All right. Then you're gonna snap. Snap, make sure they're closed. You want to make sure they're tight. If your rice starts poking out, that's why you have this cap here. It'll stop you. You just want to turn it. Hold on. Hold on. Push. All right. Now we're going to turn it to get it compact. And eventually it stops. Okay? So now it won't go any further. And now we're ready for the rest. We are going to push it out
onto our seaweed.
Boom. To kind of wet the seaweed because it's going to help it stick. On your little folds, and boom! California rolls are ready to be prepared and cut and eaten.
Now that we've got our sushi rolled up, we're going to go ahead and cut them into about 1-inch pieces.
To really get past that seaweed.
Now we've got our